Hi, Frank here, founding member and creative director at 3D-PHC. I'm happy you're here, and I hope you're as excited as I am about this amazing new technology. "3D construction printing is set to revolutionize the construction industry in ways we can already see and ways we can't possibly imagine. More and more every day, all around the globe, we're seeing the incredible things it can do, and we see the solution to a problem that has been a thorn in humanity's side for generations. Safe and affordable housing is a right, not a privilege. Our team all agree. We will use this technology to help move the housing crisis from train wreck to homes for all by bringing homes that are truly affordable and will cost less to own and maintain. And how do we bring the cost down? It's simple, really. A large part of construction costs is time and labor involved, as traditional houses take so long to build. Never mind all that extra materials waste. A construction 3D printer only requires a few workers to operate and monitor the printer and its work, thereby vastly reducing the overall cost of the project. We're creating jobs for a whole new generation of construction worker, holding iPads and temperature gauges instead of hammers and tool belts. Because the design process offered by 3D printing allows for accuracy beyond what we mere humans are capable of, complex designs can be created by printers of all types and all sizes. It doesn't only offer aesthetic possibilities, but also the ability to create buildings customized to be as efficient as possible in retaining heat, reduced costs and maintenance over time, as well as creating uniquely ergonomic environments in any location. If, like myself, you're amazed at the possibilities, continue reading below, and be sure to check out our gallery and podcast videos. We'll see you on site.